To make the Anglo Indian stew with a twist, to a pot add 250 grams of chicken and half a liter of water and let this boil for 5 minutes. Later add 2 cinnamon sticks, 6 cloves, 5 cardamom, 1 teaspoon of peppercorns, 3 green chillies, 20 mint leaves, 3-inch sliced ginger, 2 chicken stock cubes, 2 chopped tomatoes, 200 grams of macaroni, 1 radish, 200 grams of cauliflower, 1 carrot, 300 grams of cabbage, 2 potatoes, 50 grams of peas and green beans each, and 1 liter of water. Cook this on high flame for 20 to 25 minutes. Then add 2 teaspoons of cornstarch mixed in water, add salt and 1 teaspoon of pepper and mix well. Give it a quick boil and set it aside. To another pan, add oil and fry 1 sliced onion. Add the fried onion to the stew and give it a good mix. And your stew is ready.